Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Diaz Agustus I'm from 8.3. My attendance list is 14. And right now I want to review about the material of science in my grade in 8.3 or in 9.3 or 9th grade. And there are many materials in science, especially like physics and chemical reaction and other. And right now, in here I want to tell you about chemical reaction that I study at 9th grade. Now I want to tell you about chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is process in which one or more substance reactants are transformed into one of more new substance products with different chemical properties. This happens because the atoms in the reactant and rearrange to form new chemical bond. And we have an example. There are many examples of chemical reaction. I will choose one of the example. There are, for example, is hydrogen, oxygen. Hydrogen plus oxygen become a water, or 2H2 plus O become 2H2O. Here, hydrogen and oxygen react to form water. Which has completely different properties from the original gas. Comfort signs that a chemical reaction has occurred include color change, formation of gas, and other. There are also change in temperature, emission of light of a new dot. There are simple definition of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a process by which one or more substance change into new substance with different properties through the breaking and forming of chemical bonds. Not only chemical reaction, there are many material such as, and also there are physics. There are many subject in physics. There are motion and other. And no, I want to tell you about motion. Motion is the movement of an object from one place to another over time. The way to solve it is to find a phi. You must use distance divided by time. It will make you find a velocity. And key concept is distance, the total length of the path traveled. And when you go to a market from your house, how much is the distance? And there are also displacement. They are the shortest streak, the distance from the streak point to the ending point, including direction. And displacement is like when you go to from your house to go to the market. Where is the way that shortest or fastest? Speed, how fast an object move, and when you go to the market, how is fast that you use, like 10 kilometers per hour or others. Velocity, speed in specific direction, and acceleration, the rate are at which velocity change, and acceleration, like when you first is 10 kilometers per hour and the second is 30 kilometers per hour, and up again until 50 kilometers per hour. So it tell that your acceleration is 20 kilometers per hour. And formula for average speed. To find a speed, you must distance and add by time. Example, if a cat travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours, so speed 120 kilometers per hour plus divided by 2 hours, so it will be 60 kilometers per hour. Simple definition is motion is the change in the position of an object over time relative for a reference point. So from here we know that science is very important, and what we do in daily life is there are relation in science, such as when you go to market, it have a relation with science, that motion, because you need to find your acceleration, distance, speed, and other. So it will make you on time when you go to the market. So that is for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.